Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about, do you need to worry if AI will be taking over digital marketing jobs? Are you going to be replaced by AI if you decide to get into digital marketing? People are hearing news saying that AI are going to be replacing people, taking people's jobs. And is that true or isn't it true? Well, Google, Facebook, a lot of these advertising platforms, they're definitely trying to push users to use AI more to automate their advertising campaigns and let the platforms gain more control. A lot of media buyers nowadays, um, they do manually optimize campaigns, but the platforms over time are going to be pushing you to use more automated AI campaigns, just letting the platform do its thing. And is that going to completely replace digital marketers? Are digital marketers just going to be AI agents in the future? Well, let's ask ChatGPT and see what it says. I think you'll find it pretty interesting. All right, AI is already replacing certain tasks in digital marketing, but not entire jobs yet. Here's the real breakdown. What is AI replacing? Manual or repetitive tasks, low skill freelancers or entry level order takers, people who just follow instructions without strategic thinking. That's important there. What AI can't replace for now: strategic decision making, brand positioning and creative direction, deep customer research, insight generation, understanding nuance, business context, relationship, cross channel campaign planning. So, what does this mean for you, for me? So, that means if we understand funnels, offers, psychology, and messaging, combining that with data and creativity, using AI as a tool and not a crutch, you're going to be more in demand and not less. So basically, AI is going to be killing lazy, low leverage people that can't strategically think. And looks like it's going to be empowering strategic, adaptable, high leverage marketers. If you want, I can give you a roadmap to future proof your skills. So, yes, AI is going to be replacing certain things, a lot more repetitive tasks, as you can see what ChatGPT says. But if you want to not get replaced, you just need to adopt these tools and use them. There's this saying that machines aren't going to replace people, it's people using machines that are going to replace people. And if you know how to use these tools to the best of your abilities and being able to provide that value to companies, to clients, then you don't need to worry. Using these AI tools will actually help you. And there's really nothing you can do about it. Technology is always going to progress. And if you don't adopt it, you're going to be left behind. Just like how people in the past didn't believe in the internet or didn't believe in social media, they ended up getting swept away. And then the ones who adapted ended up thriving. And it's going to be the same thing with AI. So let's talk to ChatGPT and see what it says. Yes, about future proofing our skills. So mastering the foundation, understand buyer psychology, learning how funnels work, studying offers, build basic skills, copywriting, paid ads, landing pages, email flows. That's important. Using AI. So making sure you know how to use AI to be able to market a lot more efficiently. Idea generation, copy testing, ad scripts, editing, repurposing content, automating repetitive tasks, go full stack marketing, how everything connects. So making sure we get competent in these skills right here. Yep, build to present mock campaigns or case studies to show your thinking. Learn how to write and defend a marketing strategy or a growth plan. Specialize, optional. Build a portfolio and online presence that reflects your unique thinking. Bonus mindset for the AI era. Compete on insight, not output. Learn how to ask better questions than AI. Build taste and judgment. Yeah. And, if people are going to be using AI, it's going to be very rarely that they're just going to completely let AI run campaigns without any human management, especially if companies, businesses are running advertising campaigns with hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars worth of ad spend. They're not just going to let AI take that over completely with no oversight. There's always going to be a human that's going to be managing, looking over things, making sure things are on track. So as long as you're within that category, you should be good. And yeah, if you're thinking about getting a digital marketing job, you're not sure where to start, visit my website. The link's down in the description below, chrishwin.com. Sign up for my free video guide on how beginners can land a 50K plus entry-level remote marketing job within 90 days. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.